Hey guys, it's your Mum Anna, and today I'm doing one of those weird hauls that are sort of some makeup, some homeware, some kids stuff, like Dollar Tree sale items that I've always done on my channel. They don't follow no rhyme or reason, but I very much enjoy doing them. So firstly, you can see my lovely hat. My daughter got a really cute pink one that has like fluff, a unicorn horn and ears. I really wanted one, but I'm 40, so I'm too old. That was as close as I could get. It's chenille, it has fluff. Then for $8 from the Dollar Tree, this really nice blue velvet poof or footstool, whatever you would call it. Also from the Dollar Tree, I got a new set of weights. I was using 1 kilo weights, and I just felt it wasn't doing that much anymore. I obviously got used to it. I am shocked at how much of a difference it makes, but they were great for $5. Also, from our version of the Dollar Tree, I got this great little calendar for $2, so you just change all out every day. That is my daughter's job. Black and neutral is sort of my go-to colours, as you will see. What other random stuff did I get? Oh, my daughter and I are working on some gardening because we're in the middle of our Easter holidays. School would usually go back next week, but this term's being cancelled. So anyway, we got some outdoor solar lights and stuff. And then my daughter picked today some hyacinth bulbs and some Canterbury bells, which we are going to plant. Then also for my daughter to do some activities that are somewhat science-based, we got this extreme bouncy balls kit. So there's the equipment to make a few bouncy balls, and then stuff to a booklet that explains how to make juggling balls, how to make rubber band balls, but it also explains how balls work, gravity, molecular expansion, that sort of thing. It's really interesting, and it's in age-appropriate explanations. I also got this unit because the kids broke the other one, so everyone has one. So not only is the unit new, but I got this little black basket new and that light, because I very much enjoy the industrial sort of look, in case you hadn't noticed. Then I also got this L'Oreal I Love It kit, valued at over $75. I got it for $9.99. There is no way I would pay $75 for this. So it is a eyeliner with a cat eye stamp on the end. So apparently you draw all over that and then stamp it on. I haven't had a go yet. I haven't got it before, but the idea is interesting. It is one of these L'Oreal Le Petite palette, and this is in Maximalist. I keep getting these mixed up with the Revlon palettes of a similar size, but we'll see how that goes. And it also came with a lash paradise mascara, which, excuse me, that was worth the $10 to me, because that's usually $23 in Australia. Then for my mum, for Mother's Day, got this. Anana has always been her favourite perfume, but the box looks somewhat different. It says the original one, so I hope it's right, because it got it reduced from $88 to $38. So obviously if it's not the right one, I'll switch it, because my mum and I love her, but I'm hoping that's the right one. Then I also got, because I am 40, I love cream products these days, so I got this Dream Matte Blush in Burgundy Flush, and you can see it blended out there. It's a really pretty colour. And then if you watch my last haul, I got a couple of things from Essence, and one of them, they've got a new berry collection out. I nearly got their eyeshadow palette, but I've got so many of that eyeshadow, so I got one of their matte lip mousses. Now, I don't like liquid matte lipsticks. These ones don't dry down, however, so there's the colour there. And if you just put some lip gloss on it, it's not totally transfer proof. It doesn't make your lips feel dry, and if you put gloss on it, it's gorgeous. I love it. I got some Anxiety Tonic Rollerball essential oils. I'm not a Young Living or an MLM person, but this seems to work really well. I really like it. I've just been after anything. I got some Glow Lab face moisturizer. I got another one of these because they're on sale so much, like, $100 off the Rejuvenate Revolution Rebirth Retinol Serum. I've got on order their collagen and hyaluronic acid serum and stuff because it's reduced from 150 to 25. And just some cotton pads. And then for my daughter is very into Minecraft at the moment, so I've been really trying to make sure she's not falling asleep with the screen, that she's reading things. These are on sale, so I got her Diary of Minecraft Enderman, Diary of Minecraft Creeper, The Ultimate Minecraft Survival Guide, and a series that's deep dives where school kids have got virtual reality glasses and they go into the Minecraft world. And there's one about a cat, because the other is this little girl. This is Autumn. She's very cute. She's just 8 weeks old. There's Autumn's bed that we got for her, so we've got everything that nailed shut. And we got the Play-Doh sushi kitchen that was reduced to $8 too. How cute is that? Like, she's traditionally a little bit old, like doesn't usually play with Play-Doh, but she really wanted to play with that, so got it. And that lamp up there, like I said. So the next thing you'll see is a new lounge room to it, because I live in like a small townhouse, so I'm joined to one other house by one wall, but we have separate backyards, entrances, everything like that. They're not up flights of stairs or anything like that. And mine only has 2 bedrooms. My